Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough battery. Once done, open Settings. Navigate directly to Accessibility instead of General or Display so you access assistive services quickly. Tap Accessibility and listen for the Talkback entry. This is where Android centralizes screen reader controls. You need to be ready to interact with spoken prompts. If Talkback is active, single taps will speak, so prepare to double tap selections as you proceed to disable it. Once in Accessibility, find Talkback or Screen Reader. Names vary by Oxygen OS version. Tap the Talkback entry to open its settings. Remember that while active you must navigate using two-finger scrolls and double taps to select. Toggle the switch off. A confirmation dialog appears because disabling changes navigation behavior. Confirm with the on-screen button using a double tap. Disabling stops spoken feedback and restores single-tap navigation, which is why Android requires confirmation to prevent accidental changes. After switching Talkback off, restart your OnePlus to ensure the change fully applies and gestures return to normal. If you can't access settings because Talkback re-engages or you're locked out, try the volume keys shortcut. Press both volume keys for 3 seconds to toggle accessibility on many OnePlus models. If that doesn't work, boot into safe mode or contact OnePlus support. Make sure to explain your disabling Talkback so they guide you through device-specific steps and avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.